Welcome to Verbably. Today's lesson is about phrasal_verb_lesson. Conquer challenges. 5 phrasal verbs. Master 5 essential English phrasal verbs to confidently identify, understand, and resolve daily problems and difficulties. Run into, use, run into. When you unexpectedly meet or experience difficulties, problems, or even people by chance. It suggests a surprise encounter. I ran into a technical issue with my software update this morning. Figure out, use, figure out. When you successfully understand a complex problem or find a solution to it after thinking about it carefully. It implies mental effort. It took me a while, but I finally figured out how to assemble the new furniture. Deal with, use, deal with. When you need to handle, manage, or address a problem or a difficult situation effectively. It means taking necessary action. The customer service team is dealing with a high volume of calls right now. Work out, use, work out. When a problem is resolved, or a difficult situation is successfully settled, often after effort, negotiation, or discussion. Don't worry about the scheduling conflict. I'm sure we can work it out. Get through, use, get through. To mean to successfully complete a difficult or unpleasant task or to survive a challenging experience or period. This presentation is really tough, but I know I can get through it. These 5 phrasal verbs help you talk about encountering, understanding, managing, solving, and enduring everyday challenges. If you learned something new, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Find the full lesson and more free quizzes on school.dxt.ma.